Mastering Recipe Instructions, your guide to culinary success. Hello, English learners. Today, we are entering the heart of the kitchen, where culinary magic takes place. We're focusing on a very essential part of learning English, particularly when it comes to food and dining: the recipe instructions. Knowing this basic vocabulary will not only improve your English language skills but also turn you into a more confident cook. Let's get started. Our first stop in this culinary journey is basic cooking verbs. These verbs are the backbone of every recipe you'll come across. 1. Boil. When you heat a liquid until it starts bubbling. 2. Bake. The process of cooking in an oven. 3. Grill. To cook over direct heat, usually above coals or a gas flame. 4. Fry. This refers to cooking food in hot oil or fat. 5. Roast. To cook food, usually in an oven, by dry heat. 6. Steam. This means to cook food by using steam from boiling water. Remember, a good recipe is like a road map, and these verbs are your signposts. Next up, we have common phrases in recipes. Here, we'll tackle the language you'll often encounter in cooking instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. This means to turn the oven on and let it reach the desired temperature before you put the food in. 2. Stir occasionally. This means you don't have to constantly stir. Just do it from time to time to prevent the food from sticking to the pot. 3. Bring to a boil. This instruction means to heat up a liquid until it starts bubbling. 4. Simmer. This means to cook just below the boiling point. The liquid should be barely bubbling. 5. Season to taste. This instruction allows you to add as much or as little salt, pepper, or other seasonings as you prefer. Our final stop will be describing quantities and proportions. This helps us know how much of each ingredient we need. 1. A pinch of. This refers to a very small amount of an ingredient, traditionally an amount you can hold between your thumb and forefinger. 2. A dash of. This is slightly more than a pinch, but still less than 1/8 of a teaspoon. 3. Cup. This is a unit of volume used in cooking to measure liquids and dry ingredients. 4. Tablespoon and teaspoon. These are smaller units of volume, often used to measure seasonings and minor ingredients. 5. Half, quarter, third. These words describe portions of a whole, whether it's a whole chicken, a whole pie, or a whole bag of rice. Understanding these measures is critical to ensure your dishes come out perfectly every time. Well, we've reached the end of our culinary journey today. I hope this has given you a good understanding of recipe instructions, and now you're all set to cook up a storm in your kitchen while practicing your English skills. Always remember, learning English is a journey, and every word you learn is a step forward. Happy cooking and happy learning!